The next question. If a equal to b minus c into secant theta, prove that tan theta equal to 2 root bc by b minus c into sin a. See here, given a equal to b minus c into secant theta. So from this secant theta make as a subject. So secant theta equal to a divided by b minus c. After getting the value of secant theta, they are asking to prove the value of tan theta, no? So you can write the tan theta value in terms of secant. We have secant theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from that, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So we have secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From that we want tan theta, no? So tan square theta make as a subject. Minus tan square theta we can take this side. So it will become tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So tan theta equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. In place of secant square theta, this value we have to replace. Square root of a by b minus c whole square minus 1. So now simplifying, square root of a square by b minus c whole square minus 1. So square root of b minus c whole square is the LCM. A square minus b minus c whole square. Now we have formula a square from cosine rule. So what we have to do? Square root of, in place of a square, b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a minus b minus c whole square expansion, b square plus c square minus 2bc bracket close divided by b minus c whole square. Square root cancel for the denominator, so in denominator value will become as b minus c, and in the numerator b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Each and every time multiplying by minus, we will get it is minus b square minus c square plus 2bc. So here plus b square minus b square plus c square minus c square get cancelled. So next step, tan theta equal to square root of 2bc, first positive term I am writing 2bc here, minus 2bc cos a divided by b minus c. Now tan theta equal to square root of 2bc, take common, 1 minus cos a divided by b minus c. So which is equal to root of 2bc, in place of 1 minus cos a, 2 sin square a by 2 whole divided by b minus c. 2 into 2, 4, we can take outside of the root, it will become as 4 to root bc, root square cancel, sin a by 2 by b minus c. Therefore tan theta equal to 2 root bc divided by b minus c into sin a by 2 Very important for 4 marks question in properties of triangles. Thank you very much. Hence proved. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all.